On the way to Aunt Brenda's house. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Cheese.
In the video, you talk to him. Say hey. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Going to Best Shops.
No, we're not going to Best Bro Shops.
We're not open today, buddy. Everything is closed today.
Camera. Please, camera.
Yeah.
Camera.
Yeah, camera. Tell them where we're going.
Going to Aunt Brenda's house.
Yeah. What are we gonna do there? What are we gonna do there?
So we're going to eat and play Dirty Santa.
The one and only George Strait brightening up Christmas in America and his Texas version of Deck the Halls. Now another Christmas in Texas.
Say Merry Christmas, Luke.
Merry Christmas.